Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Self-Control, Meditation, Chapter 6, Shloka 7. The Supreme Self of him who is self-controlled and peaceful is balanced in cold and heat, pleasure and pain, as also in honor and dishonor.
Chapter 6, Shloka 7. जितात्मनः प्रशान्तस्य परमात्मा समाहितः शीतोष्णसुखदुःखेषु तथा मानापमानयोः.
Chapter 6, Shloka 7. In Shloka 4, Lord said that when a man is not attached to sense objects or to actions, having renounced all thoughts, then he is said to have attained to yoga. 1. The end of second stage, explained in the previous shloka. The fulfillment of the above stage of mental equipoise is now elaborated. Lord says that the Supreme Self of him who is self-controlled and peaceful is balanced in cold and heat, pleasure and pain, as also in honor and dishonor. After yoga is attained, the seeker engages himself in the contemplation over the Supreme. He can maintain his constancy and composure by the capacity which he has developed, and so is not affected by the changing outer circumstances, favorable or unfavorable, at all levels of his personality within. He does not find any excuse in the world sufficiently powerful to justify a break in his regular, steady contemplation of his eternal nature. All possible threats come from the world due to the identification with the equipment of the body, mind and intellect by way of the three pairs of opposites associated with each equipment. Heat and cold are the stimuli experienced by the body at the body level. They don't affect the thoughts. If the body feels cold, the thoughts don't start shivering. These reactions can only be in the body. Pain and pleasure are experienced by the mind and not the body. Similarly, all the different emotions of desire, anger, greed, jealousy, kindness and cruelty and the like are in the mental zone and so don't affect one who is steady in contemplation of the Supreme, even if they storm within. Also, the last pair of opposites of honor and dishonor are the reactions in the intellect and do not pose any threat to the sincere in contemplation of the self. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.